Welcome to our review of the Dark Energy Poseidon Nano 3000 mAh MagSafe compatible portable charger and Spectre 8-watt folding solar panel. This bundle is designed to provide a complete off-grid solar generator system for camping trips and emergency backup power. Let's dive into the details. First, the Poseidon Nano Power Bank. Despite its compact size, roughly the size of a wallet at 4.02 inches by 2.68 inches by 0.47 inches, and a weight of just 3.8 ounces, it packs a 3000 mAh capacity. This is enough to charge a smartphone or other small devices fully. The power bank features Mavrik wireless technology, which allows it to snap onto MagSafe compatible phones for effortless wireless charging. Additionally, it includes a USB-C port that delivers up to 12 watts for faster wired charging. Whether you're charging your phone, earbuds, or camera, the Poseidon Nano offers convenience and portability. Now let's talk about the Spectre 8-watt folding solar panel. This panel uses CIGS cell technology, which is highly efficient even in shady or cloudy conditions, ensuring you get power when you need it most. It has both USB-A and USB-C output ports, allowing you to charge two devices simultaneously. The panel is foldable, measuring about the size of a tablet when folded, and weighs less than 10 ounces. The ArmorFlex technology gives it flexibility and durability, withstanding up to 200 pounds of pressure. This makes it perfect for rugged outdoor use. In our tests, the combination worked seamlessly. We connected the Poseidon Nano to the Spectre panel via a USB cable, and the power bank charged quickly under direct sunlight. The wireless charging feature worked flawlessly with the MagSafe iPhone. The panel's ability to perform in partial shade was impressive, providing a steady charge even when the sun was intermittent. Who is this bundle for? If you're a camper, hiker, or someone who wants reliable backup power without carrying heavy gear, this is ideal. The Poseidon Nano is great for everyday use as a portable charger, while the solar panel ensures you can recharge it off-grid. The build quality is robust, and the smart design makes it easy to carry around. We found a few minor drawbacks. The power bank's capacity is only 3000 mAh, which may not be enough for multiple device charges. Also, the solar panel's 8-watt output is relatively low, so charging times can be slow. However, for the size and weight, it's a trade-off worth considering. In conclusion, the Dark Energy Poseidon Nano and Spectre 8-watt bundle is a well-engineered solar generator system that prioritizes portability and durability. It's perfect for short trips or emergencies where you need to keep your devices topped up. If you value compactness and resilience, this is a solid choice. Thanks for watching.